Today I'm going to show you how to set an animation for a list view in Sketchware. So let's start. So by starting, you can open Sketchware. You'll open Sketchware and create a project, or you can use a custom project. So for in this case, I will rename the project as animation project. Animation list view is better. Okay, I have renamed it. So I put linear, and the linear one should be match parent and the list view, and use a custom view for the list view. So add a custom view, rename a CST. So I added a custom view, and the custom view is putting a linear one. So linear one is the main linear of the list. So remember that linear one should be the main one. So if you rename in the custom project, you have to put the custom renamed ID to the code I am putting now. So this is a list view. Now I have to put the custom view to SE and on blind, yet not, because I have to set some information. So I'm going to add a map list. Add list map, and I will add some key, and the key will be a random one, and the data will be animation list view. And it will be list map, and copy for several times. So you can see the different animation of the list view. So in this case I'm copying more. So the key will be I. So remember, the key should be the most important thing. So if you get some errors, so copy some more, because you need to see the difference of the animation. So now I'm going to refresh. So put the refreshing blocks, set list view to data, custom data to list map 1, list view 1, and refresh data of list view 1. So for the moment, that's it. So now go to the list view, events, on bind custom view, click it, and add a set text view. Set a text view. Select the text, and on get values and positions, list map, and this should be I, and add direct source. So this direct source is the source. This is the code to animate and a list view. So the linear one is the main linear that I said earlier. So if you use a custom project or custom list view, you have to use that linear main one to animate the box. So now let's run the project and see the. If you need that code, I will set in the description, so you can copy and put into your Sketchware project. So now let's stay for the DX is running. So now application build, install, open. This is the animation. So you can see there's an animation. So this is the animation of the list view. So hope you like this video. Subscribe, and if you have an issue about this, please tell me in the comment section, and hope you like, and thanks.